Our software is rather easy to use, and everything is right in a row. So in other words, here's a wheel. You can change colors of the wheels. You can change a different wheel. You can design your own wheels. Like we said before, by double clicking on anything, any part of the software, like for instance, if I double click on this, I will get a history on Uranus, when it went to Aries, when it turns retrograde. I can put T-max here and get a longer timing. Very easy to add points and take them out. Use no aspect here. There will be in a chart no aspect, no use. You can add uranium. You can add 1200 asteroid. You can add all kinds of points in here, 25 extra points, and add them up anywhere in our 42 different type of prediction. You can aspect here. You can click your aspect. All you got to do is click on aspect, add aspect that you want. You can create your own orb for aspect and save them. So in other words, if I read them here, I have some for horary, I have some for 5-degree orb, I have some for prediction. I can even make my own. I can add any aspect by saying add an aspect, give it an opening, the orb that I want to use, and that's it. Alright, and save it. You can save different files. That's one thing that we do, is that every time you do something, you can always save it and go get it. As you can see different type of chart. There's a Regiomontanus, alright, there's Campanus, there's Coke, and there's equal to the ascendant, equal to the midheaven, solar chart, 30 degrees of opening, and here's a whole house system, and there's periphery, and so you don't have to go topocentric. You can change it at any time. You don't have to go through click to 50 things before you do it. Orb the same way. Here's ephemeris. You can change the way you view, how you view your aspect, planet status, general fonts. You can go up there and change your font, make it the color you want. Everything that you think, it's all up here. Transiting, if you want to add a transiting date, you add a transiting date. You want to add a chart, you just click here, add your chart in, your atlas. Then you can make what I call a new DB. So as you can see here, I got a lot of DB. I got U.S. President. I got this, and you make these chart, and you can save it in different chart files. So in other words, here I got some for client. So these are some of my client, and I can add them up. Here's my stock that I trade right here, and I can find it. I can search my whole chart computer for different chart file that I have, or name in a file. So it's very simple. And you're printing the same way. You click on printing. You have different ways of printing. You can create any printing things in second, and then when you look at it, you can see what you're printing. Alright, so printing is very simple. Here I can say technique. These are all techniques, and so in other words, you just click on technique, and I want, for instance, ephemeris. Very simple. The thing comes up, I can calculate an ephemeris, and as you can see, so everything is easy to change in any ways. I mean, one click of the mouse, you can make any change in here. We have rectification. You can rectify a chart, long-term rectification, short-term rectification. You have all kinds of options. You can bring font, change your font. You can customize your object by adding more asteroid, different points. But if you look at all the short videos, we tell you how to do all of this. You can edit a chart right here by changing the names. The little heart here, I use that to put some of my special files that I put in here. And this is my business chart right here. Bring it up. You can see it, geocentric, geocentric, latitude, right ascension, declination, heliocentric, sidereal, draconic, and mondo. And so it's fairly simple to see things at just looking at it. I can drop and drag, like I said before, and I showed that into I want a chart for now. I can, there it is. I can set this up where I can have it for now here only for my locality. But let's see, there's a chart for now, right? And I want to know when the last new moon was. Very simple. Grab the moon, move it on the sun. Says the sun conjunct the moon, and there it is right here. And so everything is at your fingertip, and everything is easy to attain. Here you can import solar fire chart. You can import matrix chart. All right, and so if you have a solar fire chart, you can import it right in here. And like I said, everything is simple. Everything is open. You don't have to click down 4 or 5 different levels in order to make adjustment. You just click it. There they are. All right, and that's the nice part. And I think now, if you look at all the short videos that we have on all the features, you'll find that this program is far superior than anything that you can get.